Hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some more baking for you. Like I said, I'm not the biggest on baking cakes and everything else. Now I will for sure eat them, but I'm not the biggest on baking. I enjoy learning though. This is a recipe my sister told me about, and I looked it over and I was like, yep, definitely need to try that one. It's pretty simple though. You start out by melting down some chocolate with some oil and buttermilk and butter. Get that melted, boiling. You'll mix it with your flour mixer, which I think is a cup of flour, cup of sugar. Get that mixed up, and then you'll temper your egg in. And once you get your egg tempered, you put it in a preheated 350 degree oven. And it didn't take that long really. It's just 15-20 minutes on the bacon, and then you'll just check it with a toothpick, of course, so it'll come out clean. And once it comes out clean, you'll let it start cooling, and then you'll start on the icing. Icing's simple too. It's just cocoa, butter, vanilla, and then your powdered sugar. You start off by getting your cocoa and stuff mixed together. You boil it for just a few minutes. I think it didn't take long at all. Once it got boiled, mix it with your sugar, your icing sugar or powdered sugar. Get it mixed, top it over your cake, and then serve and enjoy. Good with coffee, and of course a good glass of milk. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this. I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.